Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope you are all doing great this festive season. It's still your girl Benny of Benny's Kitchen. Today we are making this yummy chocolate cake. On the table I have what it takes for this cake. I have my flour here, eggs, vegetable oil, vanilla, cocoa powder, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, milk, and my melted chocolate. Then I'll be needing 2 cups of boiling water that is boiling now, and again my oven is preheating. So first of all, we have to sieve in our flour into our mixer. I'm using 4 cups of flour, but you can always adjust if you want more cake. Like I always say, always sieve your flour because of ants and particles. So we are done with that. I'll add cocoa powder. Then I'll add baking powder. This is the teaspoon, I'm adding 3. Then our baking soda, I'm adding 3 teaspoons too. Then I'll break in our eggs. I'm using 4 eggs. You have to break in your eggs into a smaller plate first before you now add it to that plate in case you have a spoiled egg. Or adding the eggs, sugar, oil, then vanilla, 1 tablespoon, and I'll add in our milk. Then the chocolate. Then I'll be adding 2 cups of boiling water. So guys, I'll pause the machine, then I'll stir. Then we'll continue. So guys, this is what we have here. My oven is low, medium and high, so it's on medium and it is been preheating. So I'll now take it into the oven. and this will bake for like maybe an hour. It depends on how your oven works. So guys, I have some extra butter, so I'll just make some cupcakes. So I have some chocolate chips I'll just use to top the cupcakes. Going to be so yummy. So we'll just wait for 1 hour or 1 hour plus for our cake to bake. So guys, I've come to check the cake. This is an hour 30 minutes and our cake is cooked or is baked. So if you want to know if your cake is baked, just insert a skewer in, and if it comes out clean like this, you know your cake is baked. So I will turn it out. This is our chocolate cake. So I'll remove the baking sheet. The cupcake baked in about an hour or maybe 50 minutes. Yeah, that's what the cupcake used in baking. So this is our cake. Please share, like and subscribe if you have not. Keep sharing, keep liking, and I will see you in our next video. Bye bye.